Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making a plain cheese pizza without yeast in an oven and on stove top. And for that I have taken 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And now I am sifting all the dry ingredients into a large bowl. The crust of these pizzas is whole wheat and we are not using maida, so it is a healthy replacement of the crust. Now I have added a small spoon of sugar and I am mixing all the dry ingredients together. After mixing all the dry ingredients, I am making the dough of these ingredients. I am adding approximately half cup of fresh homemade curd. This curd is at room temperature. I have not placed the curd in the fridge. The dough should be very soft. Knead the dough properly. After making the dough, I am adding 1 spoon of clarified butter or ghee to the dough and kneading it once again. After kneading the dough for 2 to 3 minutes, we will rest the dough for at least half an hour. The crust of this pizza will be very soft if you let the dough sit for some time, and the dough will be very easy to work with when you allow the dough to rest. I am resting the dough for half an hour, and in the meantime I am preheating my oven. I am setting the temperature of the oven to the highest and preheated it for 10 minutes. After resting the dough for half an hour, when you poke the dough with your finger, the dough should not bounce back. If it bounces back, let it rest for 5 more minutes and try again. Now I am flattening the dough with my hands. I have taken a parchment paper and I am pressing the dough center to outwards to flatten and make a pizza base. You can also use rolling pin to flatten the dough like I am doing. This is a basic recipe of pizza dough without yeast, without using any yeast. You can manipulate the toppings as you wish. I am making a plain cheese pizza today. I am not using any other toppings other than cheese. Gently roll the dough from center to outward direction. After rolling the dough, pinch in the corners of the dough to make the pizza base. After you are satisfied with the base, let's start adding the sauce. I am spreading some pizza sauce on top of the pizza base. I have taken approximately 2 spoons of pizza sauce, and with the back of the spoon I am spreading the sauce onto the pizza base. Use as much as sauce you like. After spreading the pizza sauce onto the pizza base, we'll add some shredded cheese on top of the pizza. I have taken approximately 1 cup of grated cheese and I'm spreading it on the pizza base with my fingers. Again, use as much as cheese you want. And for seasoning, I am sprinkling some pizza mix on top of the pizza. The preparation part is done now. The oven is also preheated. Now let's place the pizza into the oven. Be careful when you are handling a hot oven. I am simply sliding the pizza onto the oven. I am not placing the plate inside the oven. And in the highest temperature setting, bake the pizza for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, carefully remove the pizza from the oven. I have taken out the pizza and now I am slicing it. Simple plain cheese pizza is ready. This we have made without yeast, and this is instant pizza. With yeast you will have to wait at least 6 hours to let the dough proof and make pizza crust. So this is an instant option. The slices are very hot. I'll show you the crust while we are making the pizza on stove top. I'll let it cool for a bit now. The crust is completely and properly cooked. There's nothing raw left in the pizza. This is a perfect and legit pizza. Now I have made a mini pizza and I'm not using grated cheese on top of it. Simply I have placed a slice of cheese onto it. I'm sprinkling some pizza mix seasoning on top of the mini pizza. This I have made by the same procedure. Now let's cook the pizza on the stove top. Use a heavy bottomed aluminium vessel. I have taken small aluminium cooker and I am sprinkling and spreading some salt in the base of the cooker. This is to ensure the heat distribution is even in the cooker. And let it heat for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. And I have not fitted the gasket into the lid and no whistle also. I have not fitted the whistle on top of the lid of the pressure cooker. Let the pressure cooker heat on the stove top for 5 to 10 minutes. 5 minutes is enough. After the pressure cooker has heated up, remove the lid. Place a small vessel or anything to lift the base so that your pizza won't sink into the pressure cooker when you place the plate on top of it. Be careful as the cooker is very hot. Now I have fitted the lid of the cooker and no gasket and no whistle. See, the first pizza slice is here. It is cooled completely. You can see the crust. It has cooked very well. Cook the pizza in the pressure cooker on a low flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the stove top pizza is also ready. Our mini pizza is also ready for today. Carefully remove the plate from the cooker. It is very hot. Be careful. Now I am slicing the pizza. Grated cheese is not as presentable as slice of cheese. See, this pizza is more cheesy than the first one. Again the crust is completely cooked and the cheese is also very beautifully melted. Hope you like these recipes and hope you will give them a try. When you are craving a pizza, you make a pizza. Even if it is on a stove top or in a oven. Whatever it is, enjoy your pizza. Thanks for watching and until next time, bye.